Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify sound quality. To know how to find a solution about Spotify sound quality, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop, then we click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall and you can wait a moment to uninstall again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.